Good morning, friends. Today's I have explained chapter number 1, Introduction to HTML, Standard 10th. Welcome to Merimata Public School online teaching in computer study subject. Chapter number 1, Introduction to HTML. First of all, what is the internet? Group of connected computers is known as a computer network. The internet is collection of such multiple computer network and hence known as network of networks, that means internet. And next, www, it is a collection of all websites on the internet. All these websites are linked to one another to form a global worldwide web of information. In 1991, the Berners-Lee, a rich scientist at the European Organizations for Nuclear Research, CERN, in Geneva, Switzerland, developed the concept of WWW. WWW means World Wide Web. Next, WWW terminology. First point, web browser. What is a web browser? A program for accessing and viewing any information on the WWW. It is also called a web client. Microsoft Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator, Mozilla Firefox are some of the popular web browsers. Second, web server. What is a web server? A program or a computer that stores all the websites. That means a web server. Third one, website. A collection of web pages linked to another to form a global web of information. That means a website. Number 4, web pages. What is a web page? A single page of information, just like a text, images, sound, video clips on a website. That means web pages is a collection of information. Next point, home page. Home page is the first page of a particular website. That means a home page. Number 6, hyperlink. A web address on a web page. It is a shortcut to another web page. It could be an image or text. That means hypertext is a hyperlink. Next is a HTML. HTML full form Hypertext Markup Language. What is HTML? It is the standard coding language used for creating a web page. It is a set of markup code or a symbol that tells the browser how to display a web page. It is machine independent and all internet browsers accept the content written using HTML code. HTML file are text file that contain additional formatting markup information in form of text along with its content. An HTML code is thus a combination of content to be displayed on a web pages using browser and tag that helps in guiding the presentation of the content. So friends, that is a www terminology. First is a web browser, second is a web server, third is a website, fourth web pages, fifth home page, six hyperlink, seven HTML. And the next topic is HTML tag. The contents of web pages are written using HTML tags. A tag is made up of a letter, words, and numbers enclosed between left and right angular brackets. That means less than and greater than symbols. That means a tag. A combination of opening and closing tag along with some content between the two tags from an element. An HTML element may be empty or can have some attribute to specify additional formatting or publishing instructions. Following figures illustrate the structure of tag and element. First box is an opening tag, that means a title. Second box is a content, that means about Rainbow. And third box, that means third part, is a closing tag, that means slash title. Title and slash title between the content, that means element. That is a HTML tag. In the figure, title and then about Rainbow and then slash title from an element of the HTML code, and the closing tag contents are preceded with a forward slash. Next topic, HTML document structure. Students, this topic is very important from any creating a web page is a structure of HTML. First tag is a HTML and last tag is a slash HTML. Second, head, and the next title, content, and slash title and slash head over. That means a head section part. And next main part HTML document is a body part. That means a body section. Body and slash body is a main section. As shown in figure, an HTML document begins with tag HTML and end tag slash HTML. HTML document is structured into two major parts. The first part is known as a head section or head elements, and second part is known as body section or body elements. Students, next chapter I will discuss briefly what is a head section and what is a body section. The head section contains information about the page such as title and the description of the page. All this information should be embedded in title and slash title tag, which again should be embedded in head and slash head tags. The information specified in head section is not displayed in the content window of browser. The content of the title tags are displayed in the title bar of the browser window. That means the head sections. And second part is very important of the HTML document. This is the body section part. Body section contains the actual contents that are to be displayed in the browser's content window. Every entity in the document, just like character, word, paragraph, table, images, etc., has a specific tag related to it. That is a HTML document structure, and the topic is very important. So you remember, students. Next topic, basic rules of HTML. First, HTML is a free format language. And then second, the browser, if not able to understand a tag, skip it. It does not show any error except for a small indication in the status bar. Third one, the tag used in designing web page are not case sensitive. Just like capital HTML tag, small HTML tag, and both use capital and small tag, or any other combinations mean the same. Fourth, browser while displaying the content ignore all additional white space like space, tab, new line, and then etc. Number fifth, it is a good practice to add comments to the code. Comments help user understand and what the designer intend to do with code. In HTML, comments are added by inserting the text between left angular brackets, exclamations, 2 times dash, and then comment, and 2 times dash, and then right angular brackets. That means a comment. And anything in between this tag is not interpreted by the browser and hence not displayed in the content window. Comments are also referred as a prologue. That means the basic rules of HTML. This is also, remember this point. Next, how to create a web page. The step to create an HTML document using gedit text editor and view it into the browsers. First step is open gedit editor using applications and then accessories and then gedit. The gedit is a general purpose text editor for the GNOME, a part of a project called GNU, free software by MIT, desktop environment and Macintosh operating systems and Microsoft Windows. The steps are given as per Linux operating systems. As per government recognize 9 to 12 standard. The operating system is using a Linux operating system, and Linux is a free open source operating systems. Next step, second number, type the following HTML code listing in the empty gedit window. You can type the all HTML code in gedit text editor, and after save the file p1.html, click to file menu and then save. This is a second step, how to create and save a file. Click to file menu and then save. p1.html is a file name, p1 is a file name, and then .html is the extension of HTML documents, and after then click to save button. And next step, third step is open a browser such as a Mozilla Firefox or any web browser that is installed on your computer, and select and then click the file menu and then open file, otherwise Control O, and you will see an open file dialog box, and select the file that you want to open and click on open button. The web browser will display the content of HTML document as follow. Okay, that is a output of a p1.html file. Next topic is HTML heading styles. HTML document generally begins with heading. Heading in HTML can be created in total 6 inbuilt size. Name as H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. H1 is the topmost level of a heading style. The contents under H1 tag are displayed with biggest font size, and the 6 level of heading are described in the following HTML document. Type the HTML code using gedit, just like an example of heading style: HTML and /HTML, head, title, about rainbow, and /title and /head over. Body part, body and /body, H1 rainbow and /h1, H2 rainbow and /h2, H3 rainbow and /h3, H4 rainbow and /h4, H5 rainbow and /h5, H6 rainbow and /h6. That means a heading style H1 to H6. And then you have also save the file p2.html file name, and after opening a web browser and then Control plus O, otherwise click to file menu and then open. You will see an open the file dialog box. Select the file that you want to open and click on open button, and the web browser will displaying the content of HTML document as follow. That is a p2.html, that is a heading style. output. First one H1, second H2, third H3, fourth H4, fifth H5, and last is a H6. That means H1 is a biggest font size and H6, that means the lowest heading style. That is the output of HTML heading style. Okay friends, to be continue and the remaining lesson in next session. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.